Hey guys, welcome to the first lesson of the course, The Art and Science to Kindle Keywords. Now in this lesson, we're going to go over some key details on what happens when you do Kindle keywords right. It's not just about one or two keywords and getting a little bit of traffic, but it's actually how Amazon responds to your book when you do this step right. Now, in order to cover this, we're going to be looking at some of the statistics and analyzing how Amazon responds. So let's go ahead and jump in. All right. The first things first is that one of the key experiments that we did back in the day was we started analyzing what happens on Amazon search results page. This is where somebody types in a keyword phrase at the top and then Amazon presents a list of books. What we found from our experiment was that the number one book, the book that ranks number one for that Kindle keyword, gets 27% of the clicks. So that means that out of all the people who type this in, 27% of them will usually click on the first book. However, though, that number quickly drops down to 12% and then 9 and 8 and 7 and 6% and so on. So as you can see, the importance of being near the top is very, very crucial to gaining traffic. But let's take this a step further so that we understand this more. When you look at the difference here, you'll see that the number one book gets almost 2 times more clicks than the number 2 book. But let's break it down even further. Let's say your book ranks number 5 for a keyword phrase that's typed in 1,000 times a month. If at number 5, you can only expect around 70 or so people will actually click on your book. However, though, if your book ranks number 1 for that same term, you can expect 270 different customers will click and look at your book. Now you may be saying to yourself, well, 270 doesn't sound very good, but that's not all. You see, when you have your keywords and you rank for them, those keywords will build off of each other. So say keyword phrase number 1, you end up getting 270 clicks per month. And keyword phrase number 2, you get 122 clicks per month. And so on, and so on, and more as you go. Now, all of those